Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena oqalayo ukungena leli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Umnyango we-Action SA ukhala nge-GNU ukuthi ayibathandi abantu abamnyama. Nakhu phela ivote ne-DA ukuthi angaqashwa ama-EPWP, kodwa-ke awuzizwele nangomnyango ezikhulumela ngokwakhe.
So, izolo, we had a council meeting. Uyabona kuney'nqumo eziwu-2 that were taken yesterday. Ezingenze ngabona ukuthi i-GNU kahle kahle is a coalition of parties that are fighting against abantu abamnyama. There is nothing so far esingenze ngabona ukuthi i-GNU has an interest yabantu abamnyama. Izolo i-ANC ne-DA bavote against isiphakamiso sokuthi kuqashwe abantu be-EPWP. In the main abantu abamnyama laba abasebenza ngaphansi kohlelo lwe-EPWP, DA and ANC said no, abavumi. Noma sesikhala ucha akuzwelwa abantu bakithi abahleli emakhaya akade bekuhlelo lolu, abanye babo asebesebenze more than 5 years. Ngize ngacela nje ukuthi at least laba no 5 years and above baqashwe permanent, ngoba kusho ukuthi nesikhala vele sabo. I-DA ne-ANC bathi no, bavota against that recommendation. Kwanesiphakamiso sokuthi abantu abamnyama owa homeless kune project eyaphasa emkhandlweni ukuthi kwakhiwe ibhilidi elizobahlalisa edolobheni. I-DA ne-ANC ne-NFP ne-IFP bathi no, kwathiwa labantu abasuswe edolobheni beyakhelwa le koLovu, ngoba i-motivation nje ithi abantu abamnyama ba-homeless baxosha ama-tourist, so umnotho weTheku uzofa uma kuhlala abantu abamnyama aba-homeless edolobheni. Now yeba agishaka bathena akukho la kubhala khona abantu abamnyama, but my question to i-council izolo was, uma umuntu ephika ukuthi abantu abamnyama labakhulunywa ngabo bangaki abangemnyama abahlala edolobheni aba-homeless? Yikho ngithi bafowethu, yabona i-GNU nizoyibona kudala. This coalition eseThekwini ye-DA ne-ANC ne-IFP ne-NFP iyinkinga kubantu abamnyama eThekwini, iyinkinga kubantu abamnyama kwi-province, iyinkinga kubantu abamnyama South Africa. We must wake up. Okulandelayo bosixosha. What I said yesterday, why GNU want to kill abantu abamnyama twice? Abantu abamnyama were removed from the economic zones by apartheid, and today they are being removed by this government ovotelwe. Vukani bafowethu, asivukeni kubi la ngaphandle.
Khona manjalo umholi we-MK Party Youth League uzikhulumele ngokwakhe uqinisekisa ukuthi uyobe ekhona ngomhla ka-7 September eWard 83 eMlazi ka-M Ehholo. Awumuzwe-ke ezikhulumela ngokwakhe.
Thank you very much. Igama lami ngingubonga inkosi Gift Education Madoda Khanyile. We are coming to you live on the 7th of September in the MK Youth League program, Mlazi kwa M Ward 83 Community Hall, We are in Ward 83 Community Hall, Mazibuyele Emasebeni Youth Mobilization Program. We are coming there live and direct on the 7th of September 2024. Membership card, your MK will be also on site. Come there for your membership card of MK, that will also be on site. Ziyakhala, we are in, we are live and direct. Thank you very much. Salute.